everyone! Today we're making homemade bacon and sausage pizza calzones with an onion and mushroom tomato sauce and oozing with melty cheese. If you're looking to add a twist to your next pizza night, keep watching and let's get started. To make your pizza dough, whisk together 1 cup of warm water, 2 1/4 teaspoons of instant dry yeast, and 1 teaspoon of sugar in a small bowl and let it activate for 10 minutes. In a separate bowl, combine 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of seasoning or garlic powder. Add 1 1/2 tablespoon of olive oil and mix until crumbly. Add in your yeast mixture and mix until well combined. You might want to use your hands. Once you shape your dough into a ball, transfer to a greased bowl and roll around until evenly coated with oil. Cover with a towel and let rise in the fridge for 40 minutes. Once your dough has doubled in size, punch it down and separate into 6 balls. Roll them into 10-inch rounds about 1/8 of an inch thick. Now it's time for your filling. Start by frying 5 slices of bacon until cooked. Remove from the pan, let cool and cut into small pieces. Add the Italian sausage to the pan and cook until the internal temperature reaches 170 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove from the pan, let cool and cut into small pieces as well. Sauté 1/2 cup of sliced onions and 1/2 cup of sliced mushroom in the remaining bacon fat until soft and lightly browned. Mix in 2 cups of chopped tomatoes, salt, pepper, oregano, and bring to a boil. Reduce the heat, add the bacon and sausage, and let simmer until you have a thick sauce. You can then remove from heat and fold in 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. Let your mixture cool completely before filling your calzones. It's now time to assemble. Fill half of each round with about 3 tablespoons of pizza filling and 1 tablespoon of shredded cheese and fold the dough over the filling. Press the edges with a fork to seal and make it cute. Brush each calzone with egg wash and transfer to a lined baking sheet. In a preheated oven of 375 degrees Fahrenheit, bake your homemade pizza pockets for 15 minutes or until golden brown. Let cool for 10 minutes before digging in. These are such a treat and a great alternative on pizza night. You can easily make them different every time too by changing up your ingredients and seasoning, so just be creative. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any easy, delicious recipes. See you in the next one, guys!